You have probably been searching for a market that can boost your winning rate. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase your winning chances using the double chance strategy. So I'll be focusing on the La Liga, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Mallorca versus Barcelona. So checking the last 5 matches, we can see that on May 28, 2023, Barcelona did win the match 3-0. So guys, the market of which we'll be focusing on is the double chance, and we'll be saying Barcelona to win or draw. So as you is checking here, you can see that Barcelona did win the match, guys. You can see that Barcelona did win the match 3-0. So checking on September 26, 2023, you can see that 4 goals were scored in totals. So, but they made a draw. Both teams did make a draw. No team did win. Checking on March 8, 2024, you can see that only 1 goal was scored. Barcelona during the match. And guys, our market did work 3 times in a row. Our market did work 3 times. Also here it did work. You can see that the previous match our market did work, and also here our market did work. So moving on the next match, we can see that on December 3rd, 2024, we can see that 6 goals were scored in total. Barcelona did win the match 5-1. And our market did work again here. It seems like this market is a solid market because it's been working. So when we run the next match, April 2022, you can see that our market did April 25, 2025. We can see that our market did work again. Barcelona did win the match. So guys, as you are analyzing, you can see that our market did work 5 times in a row. This shows us that this market is legit. It does work. Our market did work 5 times in a row. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.